Today we're going to write a description sentence using common nouns to write about how Garrett Morgan helped his community. As a reminder, Garrett Morgan was an inventor that invented a traffic signal when he saw a terrible traffic accident. We are going to write using the sentence frame below. It says, Garrett Morgan helped his community by blank. I'm going to start the sentence frame with you today, and then I would love for you to practice on your own, sounding out the rest of the words to describe how Garrett Morgan helped his community. Let's start with our sentence frame. Garrett Morgan, and remember, Garrett Morgan is his name, and that's a proper noun, so he's going to get capitals. So we're going to start with G, A, R. And again, you can always pause the video if you need to catch up. Garrett. Garrett, finger space, Morgan. Garrett Morgan. And I am moving a little quickly just because you have this sentence frame on your screen, but I will practice with you. Garrett Morgan, and again, his name is getting a capital because that's a proper noun, and people are so important, so they always get a capital. Garrett Morgan, finger space, helped. Helped has quite a few sounds. We're going to sound it out together. First, I hear which is H. O. Help. Helped. And D at the end of the word typically has ED. Garrett Morgan helped his finger space. Community is a big one, so I'm going to write it. If you want to watch me write it and then pause the video and copy it, you're more than welcome to. This one actually has two M's. Community. Woo, that was a big one, huh? Garrett Morgan helped his community, finger space, by. Now there's quite a few things you could write here. You could say Garrett Morgan helped his community by inventing a traffic light. Garrett Morgan helped his community by helping them, by keeping them safe, by making sure they didn't crash into each other anymore, making an invention. There's lots of things you can write. I'm going to give you the time to go ahead and practice filling in the rest of the sentence on your own. And then don't forget to put your period at the end of your sentence, because sentences always take up the entirety of the page. They start with a capital, end with punctuation, and use a finger space between the words. You're doing so well in your writing. Keep up the good work.